I'm gonna shock one of my boy. Today is supposed to be his settlement day, but he's not awake. And he has been loyal to my company, mother. Junior, yeah? So as you can see, he's here. He's a good guy. He doesn't play with his jobs. He will even go extra mile to make sure that the company satisfies customers to their needs. When loaders are now around, he loads ties and doors, WC, and other materials that we sell to customers. So I commend him in a special way. He has been here, and some other people, like 3 other people, came and they have stayed to their normal year that they're supposed to stay. Have settled them, but still he didn't relent in what Omelokwe Hana on actually ime honor may feature clean and all that. There is a shop ime any notice in the loaders are not, like I said before, the load so there is one mother. Mana you had no water. If you met no mother, I guess you were melody. Today is Junior's birthday because I get you maka na ndị Igbo sị na onye ọlụ nwere ụgwọ. Onye ọlụ nwere ụgwọ. Onye lụọ olie, onye lụ kanarịa olike narịa. So I had no camera gosi Junior. Onye a ọ dịghị ka onye serve goro mmadụ 7 years. Junior serve go 7 years. And all the loyal, all the humble. Ogonu ba akwa. May go tell all the aqua, my yakwa, may go tell all the pass or my go say pass. So all the sincere, all the faithful. Madonna can emia kita. It wasn't going to pay bapoy. When you're gonna choose a computer. So in car, Gakuza on the muddy. Junior, how many years yes have gone?
7 years and
7 years and
yes sir.
Ke shop nke chọ ka m wee settle oge. Nke Lagos. Eji na edo wa anyukwu mana e deserve ya. At least say no Lagos, inwe ike ịdị na-emekwala anyị wee deal ka anyị si eme ma tours ma ties. So, e deserve ya. Today, I am going to settle you with 15 million naira. Mana ihe m na-agwa gị bụ gbadokwa anya like you have always been. Hey, what I go? Hey, but it's going back. You served more than expected. Other is, but then you look at Lagos. Make sure no ties a many nubu. He gets super well name. Other reason, but I commend you. I commend you. Other reason. Eddie. Please come and present this check to Junior because it's not easy. It's a thing of joy.
Ah! Junior. Yeah, congratulations. Get right. Come, boy, you get what you know, guys. Settle down. Hey.
Congratulations. Congratulations. He's well. Telling you, look at just you hear company more of my a better organic, a better man, a better career. Oh, young about men and me. Manager. Yeah. Because he had married Junior. I'm a man, he had married Junior. Tata. I get no quality because they got to say, game was in Kega. So, I commend each and every one of you. They make this business grow. Other is okwa amala Chineke. So ọ ga-adara anyị ncha niile. Oge na-etere aka settlement nke gị ga-abịa. Mgbe nke gị ga-abịa, eluigwe na ala, ndị nọ n'eluigwe na ndị nọ n'ụwa ga-enwekwa aṅụrị. So all of us are going to marry and enjoy at the end of the day. So I commend all of us. I na-agbakwa ka the company grow. So Junior, congratulations. Jidekwe ka iji iruo Lagos igosi ha na ka ihe anyị na-eme n'Enugu na-enwe ụdị ha na-eme na Lagos. We move. Sure.